Welcome back, I'm Jamie, and in today's video I have the Nordstrom Try-on Haul. Now typically I film this video in my downtown Nordstrom store, however I did test positive, so I had to order everything and try it on in my home. So let's get started. If you are at all considering trying to get a pair of boots, this has got to be the ones you purchase. These were not even on my radar until I started looking through the sale, and I was like, you know what, I love a lower heel and these are perfect. This is a beautiful pair of boots. I can't recommend these ones enough. There's a beautiful kitten heel in the color. It's this suede in a beautiful beige. I think it's gonna go with so many different outfits. I'm tempted to get a black pair, but these look so good on. And this is the type where you can put them over your jeans or wear them with the dress. I'm in love with them, and they're so comfortable because, again, of the shorter kitten type of heel. I'm so obsessed with these, I had to share it over on Instagram. They're called the Lehigh Straight. These were the best jeans that I have, and I'm tempted to get more from Frame, but I'm gonna hold off. But I love these. They look fantastic and they make my butt look decent. I think these are the best denim pair out of the whole sale, and I was really wowed by these particular jeans. Now this is some mules from Steve Madden. I love the detailing. It's that whole tonal with the beige on beige. I think it looks so chic, and it'll go with so many different outfits. So if I don't want to wear booties, I think this is a good casual chic type of look. And they come with a couple different colors. Of course, I love this beige the best. I think the detailing on that is so good. I did pick up another Treasure and Bond sweater this year. This is in that beige oatmeal type of color. I think it's so pretty and cozy. And they do run a little bit more oversized, and this is in a size small, but they're just a great type of sweater when you want to have more of a comfy. This is just one of their great staple sweaters they have from the brand. And I did purchase a pair of ADIDAS sneakers. I love this blush color. I think they're so pretty. The thing is, I've worn these last year's version and that black cheetah print out, and so I needed a replacement. I know my size in ADIDAS, and they're a great slip on and off type of sneaker, which is why I went with these. So comfortable, and they give a nice support. If you can imagine, I'm taking 2 Portuguese water dogs on my walk, so here's my Wit and Wisdom jeans. I really like them. This is in more the high waist, slim straight in the black. Just a great everyday easy type of denim pair. Would look so great with a lot of my sweaters that I purchased. So I highly recommend these ones, and you can't go wrong with the price point for 50 bucks. Here's the dress I picked up from this year's sale. It's in this beautiful green color, and I love the material. They had something similar last anniversary sale, and I picked it up in the red. So I love this material. You can easily transition this from sandals to more of a tall booty. Here's another Treasure and Bond sweater. I love the green shade in the V-neck. I just thought that was a very casual, cozy type of sweater to wear. I'll mix it up. It'll look great with denim. I also have the MADEWELL top that I'm wearing right now. I love this sweater. It's a nice lightweight type of sweater that I could wear now. Perfect for the evenings, and obviously I'll wear that into the fall. I'm obsessed with the tan and the white. I think this is such a beautiful combo. They have a couple different colors, but this was definitely my favorite out of the bunch. I got these MADEWELL pants. They're high-waisted, and they got this lovely material. It's just great for the weather right now. It's still in the 80s out here in Chicago, so I loved how cozy, but still chic. And I can definitely even wear these to work. And they're in this beautiful olive color. So guys, I have to tell you that these 7 jeans that were in my preview video, these ones I'm gonna return. I like the way they look when it comes to booties area, but I just think they're too high. If there's such a thing as having too high of a high rise, I just felt like it was way too much denim coming up. I will say these jeans are definitely like a nice quality, more like a mid-weight denim. Now you may recall these booties from my preview video. I talked about the BLONDO booties. So this has this pretty comfortable block heel, which I love, with the more of that elongated toe point. It's a pretty white shade. It's more of that off creamy white, I would say. It's called Bone. It's just the material I noticed. It's got like an interesting type of coating. I believe these are waterproof too, which would probably explain the material on the leather. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep them. It's just something about them I'm not sure if I'm in love with. I did order another pair of booties to try out that are also in a white shade, so I'll see how those go. But I'll let you guys know which ones I end up keeping. But so far, I'm not totally in love with these. They're not bad, but I would say comfort, chic. If you don't have another white pair of booties, these are probably a decent pair to get. So I still have a couple items coming through the mail. I'll probably share with you guys on Instagram, so be sure to follow me over there. What was your favorite out of all my items today? I'd love to get your thoughts, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Take care, guys.